Hello and welcome back to Mike's Bikes. Hello and welcome back to Mike's Bikes. From a very early morning at Imitos Mountain. Fortunately the day is starting to get bigger, it's starting to expand because of the coming of the summer solstice in 5 months. But spring is around the corner. You have to admit that was good. I saw it and I had to replicate it. So when people copy you, this means that you are important. So today at Imitos, I don't know if you noticed something different. I've told you that I pretty much love this bike. It's a Santa Cruz Nomad 4. I used to have a thing for 27 back and front because of the agility, and the trails that we ride are full of switchbacks, traverses, and 27.5 was working very well, but terrible rollover, terrible. The trails that we ride are full of rocks, and every time that I was hitting a rock I would lose half of my speed, so I had to make a lot of zigzags. I had the spare Fox fork and I had the spare wheel, and I got the tire and I turned that to a mallet, flipped the chip to the high position, and up to now I have ridden it a couple of times and I'm blown. Yes, it climbs a bit harder, but still I managed to reach the Upper Emma Trail, which is around 2.5 kilometers with 200 meters of elevation, 600 feet I think, and almost less than 2 miles. And I did that with a good effort, but didn't stop me anywhere, so I didn't push. Now I'm gonna ride down the trails. I'm gonna do Rema Dasos Yosoda all-in-one, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of a break because I'm very spoiled with my bike, and my pedal Amish bike is a bit hard on me, and I'll come up to do Fox drop and maybe the twist. So I'll see you on the trails. Upper Emma Trail. Harassing birds, they're flying through the trail. I'm used to the weight of the e-bike, and this thing flies. It's a bit twitchy for me to go.
stretch.